Today, let's explore the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and delve into some intriguing insights. While this phone may bear resemblance to its predecessors, it harbors noteworthy differences worth discussing. So let's dive in and examine the advantages and disadvantages. The Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a significant enhancement with its new display. While some were disappointed by Samsung's decision to eliminate curved edges on their premium phones, the shift to a flat screen proves advantageous, particularly for stylish users. Unlike previous Galaxy S Ultra models with curved edges that limited S Pen functionality, the flat screen offers a more spacious and less restrictive note-taking experience, potentially encouraging increased S Pen usage. Moreover, the new screen boasts improved anti-reflective technology on the Gorilla Armor glass, rendering it considerably brighter. Even in bright sunlight, the screen remains easily visible and legible, surpassing the outdoor visibility of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Additionally, Samsung has opted for titanium side rails, providing both a secure grip and an attractive shiny finish. Although the matte finish of the Galaxy S24 Ultra may appear less flashy compared to the glossy finish of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's aluminum body, it proves resistant to fingerprints, maintaining a clean appearance even with frequent handling. Despite the robust build, drop tests yielded mixed results. While the titanium frame resisted scratches well, the flat armor Gorilla Glass screen sustained slight cracks when dropped face down from waist height. Nevertheless, it seemed to offer better protection overall during falls. In real-life battery tests, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra showcased impressive performance. In various tests comparing flagship phones, the S24 Ultra demonstrated exceptional battery life, attributed in part to the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which boasts 25% greater efficiency than its predecessor. Furthermore, Samsung introduces new artificial intelligence features in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, enhancing user experience across various applications. These include Live Translate and Interpreter for real-time translation during calls, Chat Assist with features like chat translation and writing style, Note Assist for interactive note modifications, Transcript Assist for transcribing recordings, and Generative Edit and Suggestions for photo editing enhancements. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's USB 4.0 storage technology offers faster read and write speeds compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max's NVMe storage, ensuring smoother performance, quicker app loading times, and faster file transfers. In conclusion, the decision to purchase the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra hinges on individual preferences. While it offers compelling features such as the S Pen and advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, some changes, like the removal of the microSD card slot and headphone jack, may not appeal to all users. Despite its starting price of $1,300, the S24 Ultra falls short in certain aspects, including inconsistent camera performance and artificial intelligence features that may require further refinement. Compared to Google's Pixel 8 Pro, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers satisfaction to many users, it may not fully distinguish itself as the ideal choice for everyone. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.